on 49. This is a lake wind advisory for the following counties in South Carolina: Aiken, Danbury, Barnwell, Calhoun, Central Orangeburg, Chesterfield, Clarendon, Edgefield, Fairfield, Kershaw, Lee, Lexington, McCormick, Newberry, Northern Lancaster, Northwestern Orangeburg, Richland, Saluda, Southeastern Orangeburg, Southern Lancaster, and Sumter, and the following counties in Georgia: Burke, Columbia, Lincoln, McDuffie, and Richmond. West, southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour possible. Where? Portions of east central Georgia and central South Carolina. When? From 10 a.m. Friday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The following impacts are expected. Strong winds and rough waves on area lakes may create hazardous conditions for small craft. Boaters on area lakes should use extra caution as strong winds and rough waves can overturn small craft. The 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time observations. At Augusta